In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert Google Pay balance into redeem code. Now, this should be a quick and easy process video. So, if you are asking how to change your Google Pay balance into redeem code, just like this client right here, he is unable to spend his Google Pay balance and he needs to convert the balance into redeem code, but it's not possible. His Google Pay balance can't be refunded, transferred to another account, or converted into a redeem code. But here is what you can do with it. As you can see, you can buy with your Google Pay balance. You can pay and buy and subscribe to content and services on Google Play, and you can use Play balance to purchase YouTube content. So it's not possible, unfortunately, to use your Google Pay balance, and it can be refunded. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.